I can remember getting on that plane, sitting on that plane and thinking, what the hell am I doing? I was petrified. But I had the most incredible 2 weeks. It was just amazing. I met some amazing people that I'm still friends with now. And it was just amazing experiences of being out in the Namib desert, seeing the desert elephants wandering around in their natural environment, helping the team to collect data on these elephants, helping to build protection walls in the middle of the desert to help farmers protect their water points from the elephants, because the elephants